Hands on House Children's Museum of Lancaster is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to create landmark learning experiences for children and their families through play. We create exhibits that are hands-on and developmentally appropriate for children. There's no stress of tests, and it's just a fun place to be and learn. The Junior League of Lancaster actually started us in 1987. They did all the research and put together grants to make sure that we could have a building, and we've been in existence for 30 years. True to our name, when you walk in is a little house, and when you go into your house, you end up in your backyard. So our first exhibit is all about your backyard. There is a tree house in there, lots of fun things, including a face painting porch. From there, we move on and we tout our Lancaster County heritage. We have a farming exhibit there with a big tractor from Case New Holland who sponsored that exhibit. We have a grocery store and a post office. In the back, we have Marty's Machine, which is to teach children about careers and different type of activities that you could do when you're an adult. The clubhouse is all about science, technology, engineering, art and math, or STEAM. Every single thing in here is meant to be developmentally appropriate for children ages 2 to 10.
Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog named Clifford. We saw a sign that said the circus was in town, and there was a smaller sign that said, "Help Wanted."
This month's theme is circus, so we have magic tricks and a whole circus set up over on the side here. And we have always some kind of engineering activity with blocks and building. Hands on House Children's Museum of Lancaster is unique because we cater to children that are preschool all the way through 10 years old. Our exhibits are hands-on, interactive, and developmentally appropriate, and so children learn without even knowing. One of our best sayings is, "Where learning and playing go hand in hand."